Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another session of Moldex3D's webinar series. My name is Srikar Valluri, and today I'll be talking about accelerating plastic parts time to market, automation, efficiency with Moldex3D. With that said, I'd like to move on to what we're going to talk about today. So everybody's talking about automation, everybody's talking about the next big thing with manufacturing as such, with everything that you want to do as far as design goes or manufacturing goes, or even outside. Automation, Python scripting, you name it. Those are the buzzwords nowadays. So where does simulation come into play? What is the vision? Where are we headed? And how really can simulation incorporate automation? That is what we're going to explore today. So when we talk about time to market, what do we really mean? Now, most of you are already familiar with these terminologies. What it really means is going from concept all the way to your customer's hands, right? Concept, production, into your customer's hands. And the time it takes to get into the customer's hands is what everybody refers to as time to market. And the big thing is how quickly can we get a product, can we get something into a customer's hands? Everybody wants everything faster. And with that come its own set of challenges. I'm not going to list all the challenges that might come up in this process, but some of the key ones would be increase in demand, right? Every day there is increase in demand, or more importantly, demand fluctuations. It's not consistent. Sometimes you have higher demand, sometimes you have lower demand. If you're able to map it out, that's awesome. But if it is not that consistent, then that creates a big challenge. Reducing sizes is the next one, right? Everything is getting smaller and smaller. Miniaturization, starting right from your chips, semiconductors, all the way to any component that you take. Miniaturization, lightweighting, that's another challenge. Now, supply chain is another one. If the pandemic has taught us anything, it is, one of the several things, I guess, is the gaps in our supply chain, especially when they are spread out across different regions, across different countries. And finally, global teams, right? Teams are no longer restricted to a single office or a single region. They're global. Now, how do these teams work in real time? What solutions does technology offer to create real-time collaboration between different teams without having to jump on a Zoom or a Teams meeting every time?